Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn about 8th standard computer first unit computer networking. We are living in a modern world. In this world, computers, networks play major role in our life. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about computer networking. What is network? Network is a group or system of interconnected people or things. What is a computer network? A network in computing is a group of two or more devices that can communicate. In other words, a network comprises of a number of different computer systems connected by physical and or wireless connections. History of networking. Early computer networks of the late 1950s included the US military's semi-automatic ground environment and the commercial airline reservation system called the semi-automatic business research environment. Based on designs developed in 1960s, the Advanced Research Projects Agency's network was created in 1969 by the US Department of Defense. This simple network evolved into the present day internet. Let's see some of the basic hardware components that can be used in networks include Network Interface Cards NIC, Repeater, Switch, Router, Hub, Modem, Server, Gateways, Bridges, Firewalls. Network Interface Cards. These allow computers to communicate over the network with a low-level addressing system using Media Access Control (MAC) addresses to distinguish one computer from another. Repeaters. These are electronic devices that amplify communication signals and also filter noise from interfering with the signals. Hubs. These contain multiple ports allowing a packet of information or data to be copied, unmodified and sent to all computers on the network. Bridges. These connect network segments which allow information to flow only to specific destinations. Switches. These are devices that make forwarding decisions and otherwise filter chunks of data communication between ports according to the media access control addresses in the packets of information. Routers. These are devices that forward packets between networks by processing the information in the packet. Firewalls. These reject network access requests from unsafe sources but allow requested for safe ones. Creating a computer network. A network can be of any size. It can be created by connecting only two computers for sharing files. Advantages of computer network. Files can be stored on a main computer server allowing data to be shared. Files can be backed up easily. Network also allows security to be established by giving limited access to the users. Software and resources can be centrally managed. Expensive devices such as printer and scanner can be shared. Users can access their files from any computer. These are advantages of computer network. Types of networks. There are various types of networks which are classified according to specific characteristics such as connection types, whether they are wired or wireless, the scale of the network and its architecture and topology. The size of a network can be expressed by the geographic area they occupy and the number of computers that are part of the network. Networks can cover anything from a handful of devices within a single room to millions of devices spread across the entire globe. Let's see the types of computer network. Network based on sizes. Local Area Network LAN LAN. Metropolitan Area Network MAN. Personal Area Network PAN. Wide Area Network WAN. Types of network based on their main purpose. Storage Area Network SAN. Enterprise Private Network, Virtual Private Network VPN. Okay children, in this class we saw about computer networking and history of network and types of computer networks. We will see the explanation of types of networks in next class. Thank you children.